Hi everybody, my name is Tabitha, and of course I'm on YouTube because I'm making this video. But I want to dedicate my video to my brother Nathan Inkst. He is in the Air Force right now and is in basic training. His MTO is having a very hard time with him. Well, actually, his MTO is giving Nathan a hard time. And I really wish he would just lay off. So if you guys could please pray for him and help him get through this really tough time, because he's really, I guess, being negative to himself, and it's being really hard on me because I feel for my brother so much and I love him so much. So you guys could please just pray for him, and if you have any way, if you want to mail him or something, tell me or comment me and you can mail him a letter, because I know some people love to mail people that are in the Air Force or in the military at all. Thank you guys so much, and if you pray for him, thank you even more. Love you guys.